Happy Panda. This book was written by Lauren Alderfer and illustrated by Carrie Lee McLean. Now, before we get started, do you know what mindfulness means? Well, let's read and learn about it. Before we begin, thank you to Wisdom Publications for publishing this great book. One late afternoon, as Monkey was walking home from a long day at school, Monkey came across Panda sitting serenely in a thicket of bamboo. Do you know what serenely means? It means calmly and peacefully. You always seem so happy and peaceful, said Monkey. Yes, you could say that, said Happy Panda with a little smile. What do you do to be so happy and peaceful? I walk, I work, I read, I eat, I play, and I rest. I walk, I work, I read, I eat, I play, and I rest too. But I'm not so happy, said Monkey. Well, why do you think Monkey's not as happy as Panda? That seems true, said Happy Panda as he looked at Monkey. So, Monkey, what do you think about when you do those things? Well, said Monkey, when I walk, I also think about doing chores. When I do chores, I also think about reading. When I read, I also think about eating. When I eat, I also think about playing. When I play, I also think about resting. When I rest, I also think about walking. Ah, said Happy Panda, your monkey mind jumps from one thing to another, always to somewhere other than here, to something other than what you're doing right now. Well, of course it does, said Monkey. Isn't that what everyone's mind does? Well, said Happy Panda, when I walk, I am just walking. When I work, I am just working. When I read, I am just reading. When I eat, I am just eating. When I play, I am just playing. And when I rest, I am just resting. True happiness, said Happy Panda gently, comes from bringing all your attention to whatever you are doing right now. There is no need to think about what happened yesterday. Yesterday's gone, over, done. And there's no need to worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow isn't here. But today is all around us, bringing your mind back to this moment, right here, over and over and over again, is called mindfulness. Oh, I get it, said Monkey. Mindful, like your mind is full of the present, full of right now. That's definitely how I want to be. And at that very moment, Monkey started to practice mindfulness. The end. I love this book. Mindfulness is so important that I make sure to practice it every day. Wouldn't it be so fun to color in your own mindful panda? Until next time, thanks for tuning in.